babies, so today we're going to be doing a soft latte makeup look. We're going to be using these champagne gold brush sets from Heymkgo. I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So here we go. We're using this brush. I'm not sure what the numbers are. I don't think they've got numbers, but I'm using the foundation brush to cover my face with some MAC Studio Fix, and this one is the NC50. So I'm blending that all over my face. I'm going to be going between the brushes and the sponge because, as always, you want to have a flawless base. Concealer, I'm using the Prolong Wear. So all these products are from MAC. I'll leave a list of them down below so you guys can check out all the stuff that I've used. But just to talk a little bit more about this company, so they have an amazing design for these brushes. The bristles are super duper soft. It blends the foundation amazingly, flawlessly, no streaks at all. I'll highly recommend them because it's just an amazing brush. I normally stick to the same brushes that I've used for years, but I've gotten a chance to try these ones and they are absolutely amazing. The brush are wooden, so wooden brushes, and it's got like a matte finish, so it's easy for gripping and stuff. And also this brush set is very, very good for gifting and stuff, for if you've got a girlfriend, sister, all the women in your family will be much appreciated with this brush as a gift for whatever the occasion. So it's perfect for gifting. It's amazing for storage, and if you're going on holiday, it's got the little pouch with it, so you can always use the pouch for travel, so it's easy for travel. But yeah, we had a whole bunch of brushes, a full range of eye brushes and face brushes. So I've used this all throughout the video. The only thing other than these brushes that I've used is just a sponge, just to make sure everything is seamless. But yeah, it's also got a spoolie for your brows, and it's just an amazing brush set. I'll leave the link for these down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I'm using all MAC products, as I said before. And for the bronzer is actually Inglot. I'll leave the number of the shade down below as well, so make sure you guys do check the description box because I'll leave everything down there. But yeah, this is just a quick latte sort of makeup look. It's on trend right now, so I thought I'll come and show you guys a quick tutorial. It's nothing in depth, but you guys can just watch along and see what I do, and how I achieve the look. In the end, it turned out really, really good and flawless, and just it was a light beat, but it looks like I've done a whole bunch. And that's always amazing because you put the least amount of effort in and you get such high quality results. So yeah, these brushes are amazing for blending. The bristles are amazingly soft and smooth. For the under eye, I've used the MAC Studio Fix powder underneath, and it just blended like a dream. It was that fluffy, the biggest brush that comes in this set is my favorite. It just blended my highlight color out so well. I just loved it. And the brush that I used for the blush as well, that was really, really good. It made the blush very pigmented, and just distributed all the colors beautifully. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. Just click the link down below just so you can purchase yours. And did I mention they are very affordable as well, so you're not gonna break the bank buying a brush, because normally brushes are range from £28 to 32, and that's just for one brush. So getting a whole set of brushes with this quality is just amazing. So yeah, make sure you guys check the link, check the product out, and yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you guys do share and subscribe as well. Just leave the feedback of what you think the makeup look looks like down below, so I know if you guys like it and if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, watch along and I hope you guys enjoy it. Just listen to the music.